hi guys, welcome to our brand new vlog. If you are new here, my name is Tshepiso Priscilla and welcome. I hope you enjoy and stay. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being this part of the family, honey. I really appreciate you. Please do follow me on Instagram at _Prissy, and also I'm on TikTok at official Prissy. Please do follow me and show me some love there. Guys, there's nothing much really happening. I'm going to do my hair. It's a Sunday, 31st of May, last day of the month, and we thank God for this wonderful blessed day. So I am going to run back. I was just packing her lunch because I don't want, when I'm busy doing my hair, it's like, mama, I'm hungry, whatever, you know. So yeah, I just packed her some lunch box and we're going to run back. And maybe when we come back, when I'm done, I'm gonna run some few errands, you know, just to buy some top up some grocery, some essential things in the house. I will see, it will depend. Earlier on I attended an online for church because my body's sore, guys. I can't even walk properly because yesterday I went to gym, which I'm really proud of myself. So today I didn't go because there's no way, Sana. You know, one thing about me, I believe in baby steps because I know they're worth it and they pay off, you know. So yeah, just baby steps. I'll go to gym tomorrow. So yeah, it's a Sunday. I'm already late. I was supposed to be there 12:30 and time it's around 11:46, and I don't know how many minutes drive today, but I told them I should be there before 12. So hopefully I will be there 10:12. Rambek is not really far and there's no traffic today, which it works, you know. Yeah guys, thank you so much for always showing me some love, for supporting me, and yeah, it really goes a long way. If you haven't subscribed, to subscribe, guys, it's free of charge. You don't pay any cent. You just press that subscribe button there on your screen, and then there you go. Every time I post something, you will be the first to know, you know. It will notify you on your phone. So yeah, to subscribe, it's free of charge. If you haven't liked this vlog, please like. I would also really appreciate if you share. Tell your friends to tell their friends that Tshepiso Priscilla have a channel. So yeah guys, before I talk too much, let's just go and do my hair.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Okay. Let me reintroduce myself. My name is Tshepiso Priscilla. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you like it here. And if you are a returning subscriber, honey, thank you so much for always choosing to be here. So guys, yesterday I went to do my hair, and yeah, I didn't have time to show you because it was already late. You know, winter, it gets dark so quickly, you know. So yeah, we came back not even very late, around 5:30, but the lighting was like, you know, and I had to go to the shops to also run some few errands. So yeah guys, this is my new hair. I love it so much. You know, one thing about having new hair, you will glow, honey, you will glow. So yeah, today's the 1st of June, Monday. So yeah, I'm ready for work. I am getting late. I need to leave the house like now because I have to drop Maya to school and then drive to work. So yeah, I just wanted to update you that my hair, it's nice. I'm looking all nice. Also, let me show you my OOTD. So I have this blazer on from, this blazer is from Foshin. Yes, this blazer is from Shein. I have this top here. I bought it at Edgar's. Yeah, I bought it at Edgar's. And then I have this jeans, white open legs. I bought this at Exit. Yeah, this was from Exit. My bag from Shein as well. And then, yeah, nothing much. And my new hair. My new hair as well. My new hair from Runback, from Susan. So yeah. Oh, and my sunburn. So yeah, guys. I will see you. I don't know where this vlog is gonna go, but yeah, I'll see you. I'll see you. I thought I should just come here and show you my outfit for work. So I'm wearing this two-piece from Makuleng, yellow sub, yes, Makuleng, and then those boots. Last time I wore them, it was last year. They're from Legit, I think. And a top, I don't remember where I bought it, you know. And then my fashion bag, and yeah, guys.